This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kenneth Chip Landers. Must-see stunning 3-bedroom/2-bath home. Just painted inside and out. Enjoy a bright, open floor plan with vaulted ceilings and a perfect kitchen with new stainless appliances, dining room and spacious family room. Relax in your private master bedroom with luxury bathroom and large walk-in closet. Beautiful oversized tile throughout main living areas with new carpet in bedrooms and sliding glass doors that provide access to a large porch ready to entertain. 47 feet covered and screened porch overlooking fresh landscape with irrigation on a separate well. No association fees or restrictions, so bring the boat or TV and move right in. New water heater too. For more information, review the details below.